Hello, good night. University Digital de Estado de Hidalgo, Foreign Language 3, Teacher José Luis Magaña Cabrera, Exercise AG13 Speaking, Jasmine Cruz Castillo. Introduction. Hello, good afternoon. We are on team 1 more than. We think we are students who want to be and reach vision of goal, and this time we are going to share your experience as students while the Digital University of the State of Hidalgo. Present time. Today we are 5th grade. We have again more experience compared to when we start, but we still have a lot to learn and mature professionally. The class we have today are intended to for it. When belong and skill for the future, teachers constantly help use improvisation and learn volunteer necessary for the workplace. Past time. We are currently through the 5th semester of the grade, and the same that yesterday was the day registered and we entered this new challenge, and more than that is dream this happen faster than an adventure. We hold calm and trip that has learned yours many more tensions than we imagined. Never invalid use more far so much so that we did not know to face the challenge of this new type of study. We face various obstacles that sometimes become more difficult than the previous one. One more time, students we are more than team what regions we are of the rock, and working together is not hard to working alone. Pass the time. One of the biggest problems is that with no hope and the platform, and we have to get used. I know it's not as difficult as before, and seems that the race we are taking in is slower than we imagined. The school is full of people who support us to make every time easier. Future time. Today we are 5th grade. We have a very more experience compared to when we started, but we still have a lot to learn and mature professionally. The classes we have today are intended for knowledge and skill for the future. Teachers constantly help us use, improve, and learn every time necessary for the workplace. Closes. Thank you very much, one tons for your attention. These were some of your experience. We hope you are pleased, and they invited you continue to improve yourself and never give up. Thank you.